Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
We are tracking unseasonably warm conditions as we head into the beginning of the work week. It's actually, we could be seeing our first 90-degree days of the year for our Monday and Tuesday, with potentially matching around the records or the record highs possibly for the beginning of the work week. Something we're going to keep an eye on. Something else here, we also have Wednesday as an impact day because we have the next best chance of not only showers, but could be seeing some potential scattered thunderstorms for the afternoon, and then we'll be cooling back to the 60s for the rest of the week. Some days also getting into the 70s. So for the rest of the night tonight, expect a few clouds, remaining warm, 62 to 66 degrees. This is very warm for overnight temperatures, and we could be seeing some patchy fog develop in some isolated areas. Now for tomorrow morning, mostly sunny. It'll be a quick warm up though. Look at the temperature range I put here, 72 to 82 degrees for tomorrow morning. Very quick warm up. We'll see increasing winds out of the southwest and then a little bit of a breeze for tomorrow out of the southwest. We'll see some sunshine mixed in with a few clouds. A hot and sticky day overall. That's going to be the theme for tomorrow afternoon, which is why we have that impact icon there. Could be seeing the chance of a couple isolated thunder showers for tomorrow afternoon. Now temperatures getting into the lower 90s for Monday along with Tuesday, but Tuesday is going to be the hottest day of the work week. You can see 94 degrees, then dropping down to 88. Still fairly warm for this time of the year. We could be into closer to the lower 90s mark in some areas for Wednesday. Then we'll drop back down Thursday, Friday, Saturday into Sunday down to unseasonably cooler conditions, but should be a nice break from the 90s if those of you who are not exactly looking forward to the 90s. Temperatures though, look at this. As we get into the afternoon, 92, but compare that with the heat index, which is kind of like the feels like temperature. You combine the dew point with the air temperature or the humidity, makes it feel like 94 degrees, possibly into the mid 90s by the time we get to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And also some comparisons in terms of our forecast and the records. The record back in 1962 for Monday was 94, 95 in 1962 for Tuesday's high. Look at that, just within 1 degree from that record set back. We're going to be keeping an eye on that. It's going to be a hot couple of days as we get into tomorrow and Tuesday. So that's why we've impacted Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday is for that thunderstorm chance in the afternoon. Now, weather and health for the day tomorrow: high pollen levels, low mold levels, moderate air quality, and a high UV index. Got temperatures still into the upper 60s for Harrisburg, 79 in Carlisle, 73 in York, 72 in both Lebanon and Lancaster. We can see mainly clear conditions, just some high-level clouds just kind of mixed in, but we're going to be getting that hot, humid air coming in from the south once we get into our Monday morning. So it's going to be a quick warm-up too, like I mentioned. Now, once we get to the afternoon, right around 6 o'clock in the evening, you can see some of these isolated showers. Could pack a couple rumbles of thunder or two once we get into the evening, but then we'll clear out once again once we get into Monday night, getting into early Tuesday morning, seeing some mainly sunny conditions. Then here comes that chance of some of those isolated showers and possible thunder showers for Tuesday evening. Now, for the rest of the 10-day forecast, it is looking cooler, but once again, that chance for those showers and storms don't really come in until we get into our Wednesday afternoon, which is why we have that impact period set for our Wednesday. Cooler for our Thursday and Friday, and a chance of some showers is likely as we head into the end of the week, and also getting into Memorial Day weekend, still looking at a chance of some showers, upper 60s, lower 70s for both Saturday and Sunday, and then Memorial Day itself looking like we'll have a chance of some showers. But just a quick reminder for those who are going to be spending time outdoors these next couple of days, few days really, if you're going to be spending time in the hot weather, you're going to want to make sure you eat light, drink plenty of water, minimize any direct exposure to the sun, make sure that you're using air conditioning and any portable electric fans to be able to cool yourself off. Especially, I know Tuesday we had the primary elections that are going to be happening. People are going to be outside and people are going to be in direct exposure to the sunshine. So make sure you have a place to be able to set up shop in terms of just keeping yourself cool, drink plenty of water, and just yeah, that's what I got to say for that.